But it's very, very different in this case.
5492937. Carolina in Atlantic Beach. Hi, Carolina. Thanks for holding. Good morning to you.
Hey, good morning, Melissa. Thank you for taking my call. I really appreciate
Sure.
this program. And I just had a couple of comments. First of all, I so appreciate some of the words that your guest had mentioned when he said, even when a person leaves their position, if they've done wrong, it is important for the next person or the next company to know what wrong they've done. In this case, I feel like I understand both sides that the election in California, this entire country was traumatized. The world was traumatized by this. I want to give you just an example of there in medicine, I'm a physician, but in medicine there have been many, cases where people, bad surgeons, bad players, have done harm in one hospital or one institution, or fired or were told to leave, and it wasn't reported. They went on to other places to do more harm, to even kill people. So, there's blood on the hands of every person that's been consistent with this. Let's tell the truth. If they really thought this was a bad election, that it was stolen, then why wasn't it stolen from the same people that did win? I know too many people have decided that the top of the ticket was not going to be for them, but they were okay with having, the differences and having a balanced Congress or a balanced Senate.
I think you're right, Carolyn. There were some ticket splitting for sure, where down ballot Republicans got elected, but those same voters did not cast a ballot for Trump. You're right. So Carolina, thank you so much for that. Thank you. Daniel Cronrath, the argument from Democrats is there can be no unity without accountability. They see the impeachment as enforcing accountability.
Yeah, and that is what, before Melissa referred to as a political tribalism that we're engaged in right now in the United States. And that really is the Democratic position, that there's really no way this country can move forward and can heal, unless we first put to bed the matter of any possible crimes or grievances that were committed against our country. Of course, the Republican position is that this is just dragging out the inevitable. President Trump is now a resident of Florida. Office, why are we continuing to delay these proceedings? But I think the caller is right, and I think that Congressman James Rand made this case yesterday. Okay, to simply say that an election is over, and any sitting president of the United States is going to get some sort of grace period in between when they lost the election and when they leave office, that they can basically take any action. It's inconceivable, and quite frankly, it defies any kind of logic. Right? The president of the United States or any officer or any person in any position is responsible for their actions literally every day of their life. There's no kind of, but you know what, there's no solution to this, there's no remedy to this. And frankly, it's constitutional rule there is a remedy, okay? Impeachment and the hearings are conducted so that these individuals, it's in the Constitution, they can no longer hold office again. President Trump has already publicly said he's interested in running in 2024. That's why this isn't just performative. This is the Democrats basically saying, no, you committed what we used in high crimes and misdemeanors while you were in office, and we need to have this hearing.
Before I go back to quite a few of your calls, let me get a few of your social media comments on the air from our Facebook page. A listener writes, I'm thrilled Democrats have the courage to hold him accountable, considering the Republicans have none. Another comment, this is a travesty. The Democrats have been hate mongers against Trump since the day he was elected. Reflecting